We're going to harvest rice today. It's my first time harvesting rice. Should be interesting. Check out these apartments, they're giant. I don't know. What do I do?
I don't know.
There's a machine that does everything. They were just helping to put the rice into the back of into those giant bags. Here's the harvested field. We got to breathe some fresh air, got to see how rice is harvested, and I got to wear this ridiculous hat. What do you think about that, Mr. Hopper? He's tiny compared to the ones in Jeju.